Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers, and today we're going to go over a custom built machine that we got today. Customer came in this morning and asked for a machine that they're using for their properties. They want to be able to get in and out of their properties real quick and fast, remotely and everything, so we built them this custom built machine for them. Currently it's equipped with an i7, the 8700 CPU. We got 16 gigs of RAM inside of there. It's also got liquid cooling, the H55 right here. It's got the MSI Gaming Plus Z370 motherboard, and we also put a 1 gig graphics card, the GeForce GT 710. The machine, they ordered it this morning, custom built it today for them. So if you're in a hurry and you need something built immediately, you can come by here, put in the order, and we can get it done for you. So if you have any questions or any inquiries for us, give us a call at Impress at 281-647-9977. Thank you.